Let's talk about a very effective way to build, rebuild, or improve your credit. It is as an authorized user on somebody's credit card. So let me break this down for you because I've heard over the years, and I share this with people, some confusion. So listen in. If you become an authorized user on somebody else's credit card, what you're essentially doing is borrowing their credit history with that credit card. So what we want is a bank issued credit card, Discover, Chase, Capital One, something along those lines. We're looking for 5 years or longer as far as a credit history with that credit card and a high limit and low balance. What this is going to do is add in all of that history onto your credit report. So it doesn't just start reporting as today's date moving forward with credit history. No, it goes all the way back to the day that credit card was started. So if it's 5 years old, you'll have 5 years worth of on-time payment history of the authorized user account that you are borrowing their credit. You're not using their credit card at all. You don't even need to know the credit number. All they're doing is allowing you to use that credit profile, that credit account, to be reporting on your credit report. You're not using it, and your current credit profile doesn't affect anything with them. So there's no cross-pollination of yours and theirs other than their one account with you added as an authorized user showing up on your credit profile. The only way it's going to hurt you is if they wind up having a late payment. If they wind up maxing out the balance against the limit, it could really hurt your credit score. But they don't lose anything by having you as an authorized user. And that person can add multiple people. So if you and your significant other are both looking to improve your credit history so you can get approved for, say, a car loan or a mortgage loan, something like that, there's no max on how many authorized users that I know of that somebody could add to their account. The other thing I want to share with you is because you're an authorized user and not responsible for repayment of that amount, it's not held against you in what we refer to as your debt to income ratio when it comes time for you applying for, say, a mortgage. As a mortgage loan officer, I have to hold all debts against you unless it's not your debt. And we can prove that by just showing that you're an authorized user. That's how it reports on the credit report. So it's a beautiful way to really increase your credit score without going into debt and without having to wait too long. The moment it is reported on your credit history, you should see an incredible impact on your credit score because you've got this long-standing history, this deep, rich profile showing up on your credit report, and all of this debt utilization because I have a high limit and a low balance.